TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish down 323. We had the NASDAQ off 157. S&P's down 43. Percentage-wise, folks, that's 2% in the NASDAQ Composite, 1.5 in the S&P's, 1.2 in the Dow Industrials. Now, bottom line is that if we go over and take a look at some of these ETF structures, what you're going to see is this. On the SPY today, it's come down with 125 million. Well, you're going into 274. It's going to need a lot more than that to basically break down. The NDX 100, same type of setup inside the NDX 100. What you have here, my take is that we're testing, the high volume lows, the highs of the lows. You're setting up a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down, because the amount of energy that it took to get down there, number one, the Q's going from 187 to 168 is big. When you come back and test this so quickly, that's saying that you're going to get a larger bounce out of here. And of course, what we do have, and this is going to be the wild card out here tomorrow, we get option expiration, and option expiration does bring volume in the marketplace. So tomorrow is going to be a monster day. Gold contract wants higher price. Bottom line with gold, 4 days in a row, you've tested the lows, rejected the lows. It's staying at the top of the trend. You're at 1228. This baby looks to me like we're going to go right up to these April highs. You broke all the downtrend that had been in place. 1350, 1376 is game inside that market. Now, what we also have is this, is that you have the aspect that the note and bond market just refuses to back off. That basically is telling me that, guess what? We get a monster consolidation out here, about a 400-point consolidation inside the S&Ps that more than likely we're going to be in for a long period of time. What we have out here, you had the note and bond market come into its strength from October 10th, dramatically lighter volume, reject it once again, goes topside. And if these babies want to go topside, number one, and continue topside after the fact that we had the minutes, Federal Reserve minutes out yesterday, and the Fed governors are saying, hey, listen, we're not going to go up in rates. We think we're going to go past a neutral rate. Well, the market is basically saying, you might be saying that, but I don't think you're going to get there. Stay right there, folks. We got our man, Mr. Steve Rhodes, coming up next. He's going to be growling and prowling with you, and then I'm going to be doing the gold workshop. You can check that out on the front page of TFNN if you'd like to get into it. To recap out here, we had the Dow down 326. NASDAQ was off 157. S&P's down 39. Stay right there, folks. Steve's coming right back.